Hello students, welcome to Alpha Online Education. Today's our topic name is articles. Our topic name is articles. It is the grammar topic in our first year English textbook. It is the 8th question in our model paper. It consists 8 marks in the examination. From this topic you will get 10 bits. Each bit carries half mark, 8 of the 4 marks. In the examination, you need to attempt only 8 bits, 2 bits for choice. Okay? Our topic name is articles. In the previous class, we have started this topic. Articles are 2 types. What are they? Indefinite articles and definite articles. In the indefinite articles, for example, indefinite articles, a and ya. Next, definite article. Example for definite article is the. Okay. In the previous class, we have discussed indefinite articles, a and yan, and their usage. Okay. Today in this class, we shall discuss about definite article the. We shall discuss in this class definite article the. Okay. The is used with nouns which are specific, unique, and which have some distinction. The is used with specific, unique, and which have some distinction nouns. Okay? The is used before specific nouns, unique nouns, and which have some distinction nouns. For example, the sun. Sun is a unique thing. The moon also unique. So, before sun, we used the, article the. Before moon also we use article the. The earth also unique thing. It is a unique. The sea, the weather, the Pacific, the Himalayas, the pyramids, the North Pole, the Charminar, the Salarjung Museum, the Warangal Fort, the Church of South India. These are all unique nouns, specific nouns. Okay? So, before unique nouns, before specific nouns, we should use article the. Okay? Next, are noun to the speaker and the listener. The particular noun is very popular. It is noun to speaker and listener. Then also, we should use article the. For example, the railway station. Railway station is very popular. It is known to speaker and listener. So, we should use article the before railway station. Next, the commissioner. Commissioner also very popular. He is known to listener and speaker. So, we should use article the before commissioner. The mayor, the judge, the governor, the prime minister, the chief minister. Okay? Before the noun which is popular, very popular, which is very known to listener and speaker, then we should use article the. Okay? Understand? Next, with musical instruments, singular musical instruments. With the musical instruments, for example, Lord Krishna played the flute. Flute is a musical instrument. It is a singular noun. Okay? We should use article the before the musical instruments. Next, Ravinder played the guitar. Guitar also musical instrument. It is also singular noun. So, we should use article the before musical instruments. Flute, guitar, piano, tabla, these are all musical instruments. Before the musical instrument also, we should use article the. Okay? Next. With nouns, you example of a class in singular. With nouns used as an example of a class. Class means ఒక రకమైనది, ఒక సంబంధించినటువంటి ఒక తరగతి, దానికి సంబంధించిందని చెప్పడానికి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ద క్యామెల్ ఈస్ ద షిప్ ఆఫ్ ద డిజర్ట్. ద క్యామెల్ ఈస్ ద షిప్ ఆఫ్ ద డిజర్ట్. క్యామెల్ ఈస్ ఏ category అన్నమాట. It belongs to some category, some class. So before the category noun we should use the article the. Next, desert also specific, particular. So before desert also we should use article the. Next, the lion is king of the jungle. The lion also it belongs to some category, some class. So we should use some class noun before the some class noun we should use article the. So the lion is the king of the jungle. Jungle means forest. We are mentioning particular jungle, particular forest. So we should use article the before jungle. Next, with the nouns referring to a part of the human body. With the nouns referring to a part of the human body. Then also we should use article the. For example, the heart is a very important organ of our body. The heart is a very important organ of our body. The heart is a part of our body. So before our parts of body we should use article the. Okay, before heart here I used article the. Next, the tongue decides the taste. Tongue also a part of our body. It decides the taste. Here I used article the. Here also I used article the. Next, if the is placed before an adjective that is used as a noun, it conveys the meaning of a plural noun. Understand? If the is placed before an adjective, what is adjective? Adjective denotes some more about a noun. Some greatness of the noun is called adjective. What are the adjectives? Tell me some. Famous, long, large, small, beautiful, ugly, handsome. These are all adjectives. Okay? Blind, deaf, poor, rich also adjectives. See here, the blind are very active. What is the adjective here? Blind is adjective. Before blind I placed the article the. So now the blind means blind persons. Blind persons means plural noun. అర్థమైందా మీకు? ఇక్కడ ఒక అడ్జెక్టివ్ ముందు ఆర్టికల్ దా పెడితే అది ఏమవుతుంది? అది ప్లూరల్ నౌన్ గా మారిపోతుంది. ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ప్లూరల్ నౌన్ గా మారిపోతుంది. అనదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, we have to help the poor. poor అనేది ఇక్కడ అడ్జెక్టివ్. ఇక్కడ నేను పెట్టాను దీని ముందు దా పెట్టాను. దా పూర్ మీన్స్ పేదవాళ్ళు. అంటే ఇదేంటి? ప్లూరల్ నౌన్ గా మారిపోతుంది. అర్థమైందా? సో if the is placed before an adjective that is used as a noun, it conveys the meaning of a plural noun. For example, the blind are very active. The blind means blind persons. Another example, we have to help the poor. It means the poor means poor persons. Okay? Next, the is used with most of the time expressions. with most of the time expressions. It means when we saying about the time, then we should use article the. For example, the minister is arriving in the morning. Morning means morning is the time. Morning means time expression. So before time expression, we should use article the. Next, we will go and meet them in the evening. In the evening. Evening also time expressions. So here also I use the article the. Next under it says to refer back before a noun made definite by mentioning again. For example, I met a boy and a girl at the railway station. The girl is about 10 years old and the boy is about 5 years old. See here, it is very important. I met a boy and a girl. Here boy is a noun, girl is a noun. Okay? Here boy is a first time user. Here girl is first time user. So here I use article a. Article a. Before boy, I use article a. Before girl also, I use article a. Okay? In the same situation, the. Once again see here, the girl is about 10 years old and the boy is about 5 years old. Here, the girl came again here. In the same situation, the girl came second time and the boy also came second time. Then we should use article the before when the girl came second time in a same situation. Understand? Here I use the article the. Here also I use article the. Why? Because in the same situation, a noun repeats in the sentence. A noun repeats in the situation, then we should use article the. Okay? అర్థమైందా మీకు? ఒక సేమ్ సిచ్యువేషన్ లో ఒక సేమ్ సెంటెన్స్ లో ఒక నౌన్ ఫస్ట్ టైం వచ్చినప్పుడు ఆర్టికల్ ఏ వాడారు. అదే నౌన్ మళ్ళీ సెకండ్ టైం వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ దా వాడడం జరిగింది. Once again, I repeat the example. I met a boy and a girl at the railway station. It means ఒక రైల్వే స్టేషన్ దగ్గర నేను ఒక బాయ్ ని ఒక గర్ల్ ని కలవడం జరిగింది. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ సిచ్యువేషన్, సెకండ్ సెంటెన్స్. The girl is about 10 years old and the boy is about 5 years old. అంటే the girl is ఆ బాలిక. The girl means ఆ బాలిక. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం మెన్షన్ చేసినటువంటి బాలిక మళ్ళీ ఆ గురించి చెప్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ద సెకండ్ టైం మన నౌన్ గురించి చెప్పేటప్పుడు ఆర్టికల్ దా వాడాలి. ద గర్ల్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ 10 years old అండ్ ద బాయ్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ 5 years old. మళ్ళీ ఆ బాలుడి గురించి మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాం కాబట్టి సెకండ్ టైం యూజ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆర్టికల్ దా రావాలి. అండర్స్టాండ్? ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ referring forward when the noun is qualified by a clause. Referring forward when the noun is qualified by a clause. Clause phrase and sentences lo. Okay, మనం we shall discuss in the grammar detailedly about clause and phrase. Okay, now I explaining here. When the noun is qualified by a clause, ఒక noun అనేది ఒక clause చేత qualify అయినప్పుడు. For example, the student whom I motivated became a doctor. The student whom I motivated became a doctor. The student, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, the student whom I motivated, ఇక్కడ ఒక విద్యార్థిని ఎవరినైతే నేను మోటివేట్ చేశానో అతను ఒక డాక్టర్ అయ్యాడు. అంటే చూడండి ఇక్కడ ద స్టూడెంట్ whom I motivated, ఎవరినైతే మోటివేట్ చేశాను దాన్ని మళ్ళీ రిఫర్ బ్యాక్ మళ్ళీ వస్తుందన్నమాట. కాబట్టి అతని గురించి మళ్ళీ చెప్పేటప్పుడు పర్టికులర్ గా చెప్తున్నాడు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఆర్టికల్ దాగాడాలి. నెక్స్ట్, ద నావెల్ ఐ బాట్ యెస్టర్డే ఈజ్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్. అంటే నేను నిన్న తీసుకొచ్చినటువంటి ఆ నావెల్ పర్టికులర్ చెప్తున్నాను. ఆన్ అవర్ నిన్న తీసుకొచ్చినటువంటి ఆన్ అవర్ వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్. అర్థమైందా? పర్టికులర్ చెప్తున్నప్పుడు ఒక వ్యక్తి గురించి కానీ ఒక వస్తువు గురించి కానీ ఆర్టికల్ దా వాడాలి. ఇఫ్ యు సేయింగ్ particularly about a singular noun, we should use article the. Okay, next, before adjectives in the superlative degrees. Before adjectives in the superlative degrees, do you know degrees of comparison? In the degrees of comparison we use only adjectives. Okay, in the degrees of comparison there are three types of degrees are there: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. For example, big, it is a positive degree. Bigger, it is a comparative degree. Biggest, the biggest, it is a superlative degree. Okay, before superlative degree we should use the article the. Okay, next, large is a positive degree. Larger is a comparative degree. The largest is a superlative degree. Before largest I used article the. So before superlative degrees we should use compulsory article the. Okay, see here, R.K. Narayana is one of the greatest Indian writers in English. Here greatest is superlative degree. Before superlative degree we should use article the. Next one, honesty is the best policy. What is the superlative degree here? Best. Okay, good, better, best. Good is a positive, better is a comparative, best is superlative degree. Before superlative degree we should use article the. Okay, next one, before ordinals. Before ordinals, what are the ordinals? Ordinals means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. These are all ordinal numbers. Before ordinal numbers, we should use compulsory article the. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to go into space. What is the ordinal here? First. First is the ordinal. So before ordinal, we should use article the. Next, Kiran Bedi is the first woman IPS officer in India. Here also, what is the ordinal here? First is ordinal. Before ordinal, we should use article the. Okay. Next, before only when used as an adjective. అర్థమైందా? ఓన్లీ అనే పదాన్ని అడ్జెక్టివ్ గా యూజ్ చేసినప్పుడు దాని ముందు కూడా ఆర్టికల్ దా వాడాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, అనిల్ వాజ్ ద ఓన్లీ స్టూడెంట్ who raised a doubt about articles. Okay, చూడండి ఇక్కడ, what is the noun? Student is noun. Noun కంటే బిఫోర్ వచ్చేది adjective. How do we identify an adjective in a sentence? An adjective generally it is placed before the noun. Okay, so here noun is student, only is an adjective. Okay, only is here used an adjective, so we should use article the before only when it is used as an adjective. Okay, Anil was the only student who raised a doubt about articles. Next, before names of seas, rivers, canals, chains of mountains, waterfalls, group of islands, etc. Before ocean names, before seas, before rivers, before canals, before waterfalls, before group of islands, before group of mountains, we should use article the. For example, before oceans, the Atlantic Ocean, the Hindu Ocean, the Arctic Ocean. Before seas, the Bay of Bengal, okay, the Arabian Sea. Before rivers, the Ganga, the Godavari, the Krishna. Okay, before islands, the Andaman Andaman Nicobar Islands. Okay. Before canals, the Gulf Canal, the Kakatiya Canal. Okay. Before mountain series, the Himalayas are mountain, number of mountains. Okay. Before Himalayas, the Drakensberg, okay, the Rockies, the Andes. These are the examples for group of mountains. Okay. Another usage of article the before the names of countries, states, proper nouns which signify a combination of more than one unit and those which have words like republic, united kingdom, federation, etc. Actually, before the proper nouns, before the names of countries, we do not use article the. But if the country's name is starts with kingdom, united, republic, federation, then we need to use article the. For example, the United States of America. The United States of America. Here I use article the. The United Kingdom. Article the. The United Arab Emirates. The Republic of Germany. The Netherlands. Understand? In the general purpose, we do not use article the before proper names. Proper nouns means names of persons, names of places, names of countries are called proper nouns. So all the countries' names are called proper nouns. We do not use article the before the proper nouns. But when the country's name starts with United, Republic, Federation, Kingdom, then only we need to use article the before the country's name. For example, the United Kingdom, the United Arab Emirates, the United States of America, the Republic of Germany, the Netherlands. Okay. Next, before names of holy books. Holy books means religious books. Holy books means religious books. For example, the Gita, the Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Bhagavad Gita, the Mahabharata, the Guru Granth Sahib, the Tripitakas. Understand? Before the holy books, we should use article the. Understand? The Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Okay. Next, one point. If the author's name mentioned, the is not used. If the author's name mentioned, the is not used. For example, the Ramayana. Here author's name is not mentioned. So we use article the. Next, but Valmiki's Ramayana. Here author's name is mentioned clearly. So we should not use article the before Ramayana. Okay? Next, before the types of meal, if mentioned earlier or later. General purpose, in general purpose, before the names of meal, breakfast, lunch, supper, dinner, we should not use article the. But lunch or breakfast or supper or dinner mentioned particularly, then only we should use article the. See here the example. The lunch served at your home was very delicious. The lunch served at your home was very delicious. Here lunch is mentioned particularly. That's why here use article the. Next, another usage before comparatives when they are repeated more or less. Before comparatives when they are repeated more or less. For example, the more you learn, the more you discover your ignorance. Here more is repeated. More is repeated 2 times. That's why before more I use the article the. The more you learn, the more you discover your ignorance. Understand? More is repeated. So that's why before more I use the article the. Next another example. The less you work, the less you get. Here also less is repeated. Less came twice. That's why here also use the article the. Next one. Before a proper noun used as a common noun. Before a proper noun used as a common noun. అంటే proper noun ని common noun గా వాడినప్పుడు article the వాడతారు. Generally before proper noun we do not use article the. But the proper noun is mentioned as the used as the common noun, then only we should use article the. For example, Kumar is the Sachin Tendulkar of their team. Kumar plays very well. Kumar plays cricket very well. That's why here Kumar compared with Sachin Tendulkar. So then only in this situation, before Sachin Tendulkar, we use the article the. Okay? High-tech city is the Silicon Valley of India. High-tech city is the Silicon Valley of India. Next, Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. Here also, Kashmir compared with Switzerland. So, before Switzerland, I use the article the. Next, before nouns which name the people of a country collectively. For example, the English ruled India for more than 2 centuries. English. The English means English వాళ్ళు. The Indians means India వాళ్ళు. The Australians means Australia వాళ్ళు. Okay? Next. Before surnames used in plurals. Tatas, Birlas. Okay? Tatas, Birlas used in plural. Plural లో వాడినట్లయితే surnames ని వాడే ముందు కూడా article the వాడడం జరుగుతుంది. For example, the Tatas are pioneers in the steel industry. Here Tatas is a surname. It is mentioned in plural. That's why I use here article the. Next, another example. The Birlas established the Keshoram cement factory. Here also Birlas is a surname. It is in plural. If the surname mentioned in plural, then we should use article the. This is the usage about definite article the. Okay, students. Now we discuss the definite article is not used. Still now we discussed the usage of definite article the. Okay. Now we discuss the definite article is not used. Not usage of the definite article. Okay. What are the not uses of definite article in which cases? Okay. See that now. Before abstract nouns. Before abstract nouns, we do not use article the. For example, joy, sorrow, patience, excitement, anger, determination, knowledge. What is abstract nouns? Abstract nouns means feelings. We can't touch them, just we can imagine them. So before abstract nouns we do not use article the. Okay, in general purpose. Okay. Next, before proper nouns. What are the proper nouns? Proper nouns means names of persons, names of places. Okay. Before proper noun also we should not use article the. For example, India, Hyderabad, Nalgonda, Kiran, Shweta. Okay. We do not say like the India, the Hyderabad, the Nalgonda, the Kiran. Kavita. Okay, we do not use article the before these proper nouns. Next, before names of meals unless specified. Before names of meals. Before names of meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper. Before these names of meals, we do not use article the. Just we can use article the in specification, in specified, in particular purpose only we can use. In general purpose, we do not use article the before the names of meals. Next, before parts of the body. Before parts of the body with possessive pronouns. Possessive pronoun means my, her, herself, himself. These are all possessive pronouns. With possessive pronouns before the names of body parts, we do not use article the. For example, my legs. Here possessive pronouns is used, so that's why we do not use article the. His eyes. Here also possessive pronouns is used, so here also we do not use article the. So if the possessive pronoun is not present here, we can use article the. Okay. Next, before names of substances in general sense. Before names of substances in general sense, we do not use article the. Steel, gold, silk, etc. In particular purpose, we can use article the. In general purpose, we do not use article the. Okay. Next, before plural nouns used in a general sense. Before plural nouns used in a general sense, we do not use article the. Students, houses are used in general purpose. We do not use article the. If they are mentioned in particular purpose, we can use article the. Okay. Next, before nouns referring to certain institutions unless they are used specific purpose. For example, go to school. The student is sorry. The boy go to school regularly. The boy go to school regularly అనొచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే జనరల్ పర్పస్ లో వాడు స్కూల్ కి వెళ్తే మనం అతన్ని దారి యూజ్ చేయొద్దు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ద పేరెంట్ వెంట్ టు ద స్కూల్ ఫర్ పే ద స్కూల్ ఫీజ్ ఆఫ్ హిస్ సన్. ఆ పర్పస్ లో మనము దా వాడచ్చు. కానీ జనరల్ పర్పస్ లో మాత్రం స్కూల్ కి వెళ్తున్నాం అనుకుంటున్నా బాబు, అతని ముందు మనం ఆర్టికల్ దా వాడద్దు. నెక్స్ట్, గో టు చర్చ్. రాజు went to the church for meet his friend. అప్పుడు మనము దా వాడచ్చు. జనరల్ పర్పస్ లో మాత్రం చర్చ్ వెళ్తారు అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు వాడద్దు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, పీటర్ గో టు చర్చ్ రెగ్యులర్లీ అన్నాం. ఇక్కడ దా వాడలేదు, ఎందుకంటే జనరల్ పర్పస్ లో మనము ఇక్కడ వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో కూడా ఇక్కడ మనము దా వాడద్దు. పర్టికులర్ పర్పస్ లో వెళ్తే మాత్రం ఇక్కడ దా వాడచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, రాజు వెంట్ టు ద చర్చ్ ఫర్ మీట్ హిస్ ఫ్రెండ్, అప్పుడు దా వాడాలి. నెక్స్ట్, గో టు హాస్పిటల్. జనరల్ పర్పస్ లో డాక్టర్ జనరల్ పర్పస్ లో వెళ్తాడు అక్కడికి, ఓకేనా, ట్రీట్మెంట్ కోసం జనరల్ పర్పస్ లో వెళ్తాం. అలా కాకుండా మనము ఎవరినో కలవడానికి ఎవరినో చూడడానికి వెళ్తాప్పుడు హాస్పిటల్ ముందు దా వాడచ్చు. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్, బిఫోర్ టైటిల్స్, పొజిషన్స్ లైక్ కింగ్, పోప్, ప్రెసిడెంట్, ఇఫ్ ద నేమ్ ఫాలోస్. అర్థమైందా? కింగ్ గాని, పోప్ గాని, ప్రెసిడెంట్ గాని ఈ పదాలతో పాటు పేర్లు వచ్చినట్లయితే ఆర్టికల్ దా వాడద్దు. ఓకే, పేరు రాకపోతే ఆర్టికల్ దా వాడచ్చు. ఎప్పుడు ద కింగ్ అనొచ్చు, ద పోప్ అనొచ్చు, ద ప్రెసిడెంట్ అనొచ్చు. అంతేగాని దాంతో పాటు నేమ్ ఫాలో అవుతుంది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఆర్టికల్ దా వాడద్దు. ఓన్లీ కింగ్ లియర్, రాణి రుద్రమ, ప్రెసిడెంట్ రామ్నాథ్ కోవింద్ అలా అనాలి. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్, బిఫోర్ నేమ్స్ ఆఫ్ మౌంటైన్స్, పీక్స్, not use article the. Mount Everest అనగానే the Mount Everest అనొద్దు. తిరుమల హిల్స్ అనగానే the తిరుమల హిల్స్ అనొద్దు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఎప్పుడైనా మౌంటైన్ సిరీస్ ఉంటే అంటే హిమాలయాస్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, అవి మౌంటైన్ సిరీస్, అప్పుడు ద హిమాలయాస్ అనొచ్చు. ఒకటే హిల్ కానీ ఒకటే పీక్ కానీ ఉంటే అప్పుడు ఆర్టికల్ ద వాడద్దు. నెక్స్ట్ బిఫోర్ ఆల్ డే, బిఫోర్ ఆల్ నైట్ we should not use article the. It rained all day due to depression. Okay, this is the not usage of article the. Okay, thank you students. The topic is over now. Exercises in the page number 40. Here given exercises, so please do this exercise. Next to page number 43 also there are some exercises are there, 1 2 3 here also given, so please do the exercises in page number 43 and 44. 40 43 44 there are given some exercises, so please do this. Okay, thank you students, thank you very much. The topic is over.